guys, welcome back to Paisley's Big Adventure. Today we are going to make a, milk chocolate cake. And right now I just put hand sanitizer on because I don't want to get sick and get all my germs and do this. So, I am with my mom over here. Say hi, Mama. Hi. And we are going to make a cake. So, and now she's just fixing that thing.
Okay, so first we're going to need 3 eggs. So to make sure you don't get any shells in there, how about you crack your eggs in your bowl first?
Okay. So what you want to do is you want to kind of crack it right here. If it doesn't crack, crack it on the thing. Did I get any shells, Mama? I don't think I did.
That's pretty good.
No. Second egg. Did I get any shells? It looks okay. Now, the third egg. Woo. And it looks pretty good. Okay. Get all that yolk out. Whoa. Oh, it's just
We're also cooking with our Instant Pot.
Yes, we are. Okay, I think it's pretty good.
Okay,
I'm going to get my hands washed because I do not want to get sick from that. There we go. Always have adult supervision when cooking in the kitchen. Okay, now what do we do?
Next, we need 1 1/4 cup of water. So you need to take this and fill it all the way to there with water.
So all the way to the 1/4?
Yes.
Okay. Warm water?
That don't matter.
Okay. There we go. I'm going to pour out a little bit. A little bit more. And that's about it. Oh, that's
Is
it.
that 1 1/4?
Yes. Ooh. Here we go.
All right, let me check it.
Is that good?
That looks pretty good. So now you can pour that into your eggs.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
Next, we need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. Let's see how this turns out.
So you need to pour vegetable oil up to the 1/3 cup.
Okay.
How about I pour it in there and then you can pour it in the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sprinkle it all around.
Okay.
There we
Now
go.
you can mix all those ingredients together with your spatula. Try not to splash.
I need to smash these eggs.
Okay. Now I'm going to pour the chocolate mix in.
Keep on stirring.
Uh-oh.
All of it.
I didn't open it very well.
This is going to be a very chocolatey cake. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Try not to spill. So once we get this in, we need to mix it with the hand mixer for 2 minutes.
For 2 minutes.
So let's move on over
To the hand mixer.
to the hand mixer. Okay.
Oh, okay, it's 6:21. Now what do we do, Mama?
Well, sounds like our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So we want to spray our pan with non-stick cooking oil.
Pour it in.
And now we're going to pour it in.
Can I pour it?
You can help me by scraping the bowl.
Okay.
You can use your spatula.
My spatula.
This red one.
Oh. My red spatula. Whoa. It's like chocolate. It's already chocolate. Here we go. What should the title of this be? Like Cooking with Mom?
Hoverboard cooking.
Hoverboard cooking. Okay. I'll think about it. And I got a little bit more. Trying to get all that. Okay. I think that's it.
Feel pretty good about that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let's see how this tastes.
You can taste it if you want. So now we'll take our cake.
Mmm. Tastes good.
We'll put it in the oven for about 30 minutes.
Gotta go wash my hands because mine has chocolate on it. Good. Okay, so I think that I'm ready to close up this video.